Welcome back to my channel Luxury Drive Car, ladies and gentlemen, car enthusiasts, and fans of American muscle. Today we embark on an exhilarating journey through time and innovation as we explore the rebirth of a true automotive icon, the 2025 AMC Javelin. This modern masterpiece not only pays homage to its storied past but also propels us into the future of performance and design, a glimpse into history. To truly appreciate the 2025 Javelin, we must first understand its roots. The original AMC Javelin, introduced in 1968, was American Motors Corporation's bold entry into the fiercely competitive pony car segment. Designed by the legendary Dick Teague, the Javelin stood out with its distinctive styling and impressive performance credentials. It wasn't just a car, it was a statement to a testament to AMC's commitment to innovation and performance. The Javelin's racing pedigree is noteworthy. In the early 1970s, under the stewardship of Roger Penske and with the driving prowess of Mark Donohue, the Javelin clinched multiple Trans Am championships, solidifying its place in motorsport history. This racing heritage is a cornerstone of the Javelin's legacy, influencing its design and performance ethos. The 2025 revival, a fusion of heritage and innovation. Fast forward to today, and AMC has resurrected the Javelin nameplate, blending classic muscle car aesthetics with cutting-edge technology. The 2025 Javelin is a harmonious fusion of past and present, capturing the essence of its predecessor while embracing modern advancements. Design and aesthetics. The 2025 Javelin's design is a masterclass in automotive artistry. It retains the aggressive stance and muscular proportions that define the original, with a long hood, short rear deck, and pronounced wheel arches. However, it introduces contemporary elements such as sleek LED lighting, aerodynamic enhancements, and a sculpted body that reduces drag while exuding power. The front fascia features a bold grille, reminiscent of the classic Javelin, flanked by sharp, angular headlights that give the car a menacing glare. The hood boasts functional air intakes, hinting at the beast that lies beneath. The rear is equally striking, with a subtle spoiler and sleek taillights that pay homage to the original's design cues. Powertrain and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Javelin offers a choice of potent powertrains designed to thrill. The base model comes equipped with a 3.6-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, delivering an impressive 450 horsepower and 410 pounds-to-feet of torque. This engine provides a balanced blend of performance and efficiency, making it suitable for daily driving and spirited runs alike. For those seeking the ultimate in performance, AMC offers the Javelin AMX variant. This beast is powered by a 5.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, churning out a staggering 550 horsepower and 520 pounds-to-feet of torque. Paired with an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, the AMX rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3.8 seconds, delivering a driving experience that is both exhilarating and visceral. Both engine options feature advanced technologies such as direct injection, variable valve timing, and lightweight materials to enhance performance and efficiency. The inclusion of a performance-tuned exhaust system ensures that the Javelin's roar is as commanding as its presence. Chassis and handling. The 2025 Javelin's performance isn't solely about straight-line speed, it's engineered for exceptional handling and agility. The chassis is constructed using a blend of high-strength steel and aluminium, providing a rigid yet lightweight structure. This design enhances both safety and performance, allowing for precise handling and a comfortable ride. The suspension system features adaptive dampers that adjust in real time to road conditions and driving dynamics, offering a perfect balance between comfort and performance. The AMX variant takes it a step further with a performance-tuned suspension, larger brakes, and a limited slip differential, ensuring that power is effectively transferred to the pavement. The steering system is electrically assisted, providing sharp and responsive feedback. Drivers can select from multiple driving modes, including comfort, sport, and track, allowing for a tailored driving experience that suits their preferences and driving conditions. Interior and technology. Step inside the 2025 Javelin, and you're greeted by a cabin that seamlessly blends luxury with sportiness. Premium materials such as leather, Alcantara, and brushed aluminium adorn the interior, creating an environment that is both inviting and driver-focused. The cockpit is designed with the driver in mind, featuring a digital instrument cluster that provides customizable displays for vital information. A large infotainment touchscreen dominates the center console, offering access to navigation, entertainment, and vehicle settings. The system supports the latest connectivity features, including Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system that ensures your favorite tunes are delivered with crystal clarity. Advanced driver assistance systems are abundant, providing features such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. These technologies enhance safety without detracting from the pure driving experience that the Javelin offers. Exterior features and customization. The 2025 Javelin offers a range of exterior features and customization options, allowing owners to tailor the car to their personal tastes. Multiple wheel designs are available, ranging from 19-inch alloys to 21-inch forged performance wheels. Brake calipers can be customized in various colors, adding a touch of personalization. A selection of vibrant paint colors pays homage to the classic hues of the original Javelin, while modern finishes provide a contemporary twist. Optional carbon fiber accents, including mirror caps, rear spoilers, and front splitters, not only enhance the car's aesthetics but also contribute to weight reduction and aerodynamic efficiency. Sustainability and efficiency. In an era where environmental consciousness is paramount, the 2025 Javelin incorporates technologies aimed at reducing its ecological footprint. Both engine options feature start-stop technology, which shuts off the engine during idle periods to conserve fuel. Additionally, the use of lightweight materials throughout the vehicle contributes to improved fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. AMC has also announced plans to introduce a hybrid variant of the Javelin in the near future, combining performance with sustainability. This move reflects the company's commitment to evolving with the times while staying true to the performance heritage that defines the Javelin. Driving experience. Behind the wheel of the 2025 Javelin, drivers can expect an experience that is both thrilling and refined. The acceleration is immediate, the handling is precise, and the feedback through the steering wheel and pedals is communicative. Whether carving through winding roads or cruising on the highway, the Javelin delivers a sense of connection and control that is quintessential to the muscle car experience. The exhaust note, especially in the V8-powered AMX variant, is a symphony of power, providing an auditory experience that complements the car's performance capabilities. The adaptive suspension ensures that the ride remains composed, absorbing imperfections in the road while maintaining a firm and planted feel. Market positioning and competitors. The 2025 AMC Javelin enters a competitive landscape, facing off against modern muscle cars and performance coupes from established manufacturers. Its unique blend of heritage-inspired design, advanced technology, and potent performance sets it apart in the market. Competitors such as the Ford Mustang, Chevrolet Camaro, and Dodge Challenger offer formidable alternatives, each with their own strengths and loyal followings. However, the Javelin's distinctive styling, racing pedigree. Please subscribe to my channel and share with like. Please subscribe.